Welcome back to the studio in the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette. I'm a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. And in this video, we have a new in the shop item. Today we're looking at a set that proves big character truly does come in small packages. This is a set of 4 vintage Easter eggs that have a storybook heirloom theme, and I've paired them with authentic Ukrainian wood-crafted egg stands. These top-tier decoupage eggs are the star of the show. Their vintage origin is very well done, and they feature a stunning high-gloss finish that looks like heavy ceramic, yet surprisingly, they're lightweight because they're made of styrene. The custom wood egg stands are dainty and lightweight. They're sourced directly from the Ukraine, and each one is hand-painted with my checked motif to provide a modern anchor for those vintage eggs above. Now, these decorative eggs feature anthropomorphic characters like bunnies and motorcars and dapper ducks. I've added festive ribbon work and delicate dried flowers for a touch of Ukrainian Eastern culture, kind of a wink and a nod to the Ukrainian wood-crafted stands below. This set brings a festive Ukraine style in a classic Czech venue, a unique and unmatched collection on your mantle or in a curio display. If you want to learn more about this set, click the link in the video description below. And if you want to see more unique decor items like this, vintage inspired, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on the next project. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.